Hi guys, it's Beth. Welcome back to my channel. Today I get to share with you the September Sheetload sketch. This is something that is put out by Me Crafty Owl, and if you are new to my channel and haven't seen the Sheetload sketch yet, this is something that Me Crafty Owl here on YouTube puts out every month. She gives you a sketch, a supply list, and then a cut list. It makes it so easy to make a certain number of cards each month. The number kind of varies based on the amount of paper used. But if you would like to learn more about the Sheetload or get the Sheetload designs, you can access Me Crafty Owl's link in the description box below. You do need to be a subscriber to her channel in order to get the Sheetload. So again, you can click on her channel link below, get more information, subscribe, and get the Sheetload sketches. This month's Sheetload is a slimline. So again, she gives us the design here, and this Sheetload yields 6 cards. She gives us our supply list, and then she even tells us, how to cut each piece of paper that we start with down to give us 6 cards. So I made Halloween cards. I am focusing on Halloween in the month of September, and for my cards I used this Pinkaboo pad from Craftsmart, really pretty, pastel, kind of non-traditional Halloween colors. But I just chose 2 different patterns, and I stuck to the same pattern. I cut mine slightly different. I stuck to the same pattern for my card mat piece. I wanted that more solid pattern on the background, and then my little ghosts here to be the pattern kind of on the top layer. I did a double mat with the cardstock in what she has labeled as the CS2. I added 2 layers just to help that light purple kind of stand out against the pink. And then my sentiment here, I printed from my silhouette because I don't have any bigger. I wanted something a little bit of a bigger stamped image in here, and I don't have that many Halloween stamps. So I printed this from my silhouette, and it says "Hey Ghoul Hey," and it kind of ties in with the little ghosts. And then I added an extra little pink strip here that I added my little glitter ghost button kind of on top there, and it is popped up on foam. So just kind of a very pretty pastel. This is a great card to send to a girlfriend, for Halloween. And then on the inside I did add a strip of my ghost paper here, and then my Happy Halloween sentiment. I did make 6 cards following the sketch. And if you would like to see more inspiration and ways to use this month's Sheetload, there is a list of other collaborators that are down in the description box below, both here on YouTube, blogs, or not both, but on YouTube, blogs, and Instagram. There are a bunch of different designers who are sharing how we use the Sheetloads each month, and just to give you some additional ideas and inspiration on how you can use it to make some cards for yourself. And again, Me Crafty Owl's link will also be in the description box below for you to check out her channel, subscribe, and get the Sheetload sketch and supply list for yourself. But I hope you enjoyed my cards today, and again, be sure to check out the other participants down in the description box below. And thanks for your time. I hope you're all having a very crafty day.